Hello coders, welcome to DevByteSchool Day 4 session of Mastering in Angular. So we all already know that Angular is used to build a single page application. So what is single page application? It is nothing but loading the only required information without refreshing the page. Only that part is going to load. To understand single page application better, I have created few diagrams. So we will go through the diagrams one by one. If you are new to our channel, I will highly suggest you to subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon so that whenever we are uploading a new video, you will get the notification for that. We have also created Telegram group. QR code is visible on the screen. Link is also provided into the description. We are going to share all the resources, interview tips and tricks, and our new video updates over there. So without wasting any time, requirement, we are going to have few pages. Okay. So we will select one theme. We will install that theme into our Angular application. Then we are going to have some pages. For example, we are going to create login and register page. Then there will be one home page also. Then we will create one more page for single blog. In the single blog page, we will mention all the details of the blog. Then any user can come to that blog and comment in the comment section. Okay. We will see all pages one by one. As you can see on the screen, there is a login and register pages. Okay. In the login and register, we are going to keep one header and footer. Header and footer are going to be constant for every pages and only the middle part is going to change as we are creating the single page application. So let's see other pages as well. Then we are going to create a home page. In the home page, as we have discussed already, header and footer are going to be the constant and only the middle part is going to change based on the routing. So we are going to maintain the structure like this. On the left side, there will be the blog list, and on the right side, there will be the recent blogs. Okay. Then there will be the single blog page. Whenever on the home screen, we are going to click on some blog, we can see this page. In a single blog page also, there will be the header, there will be the footer, and between them, there will be the blog section. There will be a photo for that blog also. There can be some description that totally depends on what user is uploading. Then after blog, there will be one comment section where anyone can come and drop their comments. Then after successful login, we can give some admin pages. The user will have access for some basic functionalities like they can create the blog, they can update the blog, they can read the comments. Okay, they can delete any particular comments if they want. We are also going to create one profile page as well. I have created one more diagram that will show what components we are going to create and what services we are going to create, how our project structure will be. Let's see that. So we are going to create our project called blog, and then inside the common folder, there will be having a header, footer. Okay, we are going to create one component for a home page. Then for authentication, we are going to create login and register pages. Okay. Then inside the blog, we are going to create single blog component, blog list component, recent blog sidebar component. Okay. Then for comment section, we are going to create some separate components. Then we are going to create some services to call an API. Then we are going to create guards for the security purpose. Then after login, we are going to give access for blogs, comments. Okay. We are going to create user profile as well. So you might not understand all of this right now, but whenever we are implementing that into the real project, you will have a better understanding for that. Okay. In the next video, we will create one project and I will explain you what is the project structure of the Angular. Yeah, that's it for today's video. If you like our video, please share with your friends and colleagues. If you are new to our channel, I will highly suggest you to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so that whenever we are uploading a new video, you will get the notification for that. Also join our Telegram group. We will meet in the next video. Till then, happy coding.